Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to check whether you can recover a deleted draft on Instagram. If you've accidentally deleted a reel or post draft, there are a few things you can check before giving up. In this video, we'll go through Instagram's data download option and see what information may be available. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and open Accounts Center. Inside Accounts Center, tap Your Information and Permissions. Then, select Download Your Information or Export Your Information, depending on which option appears on your account. Now, tap Create Export and select your Instagram profile. Next, choose Export to Device. You'll then see an option to customize the information included in your download. Select the relevant information you want to request and continue. After that, choose the date range that covers when you created or saved the draft. Once everything is selected, tap Create Export. Instagram will now prepare your information. This can take some time, depending on how much data is associated with your account. When the export is ready, you'll receive a notification from Instagram. You can then download the available information and check whether the content you're looking for is included. Keep in mind that deleted Instagram drafts may not be included in a data export, so this method isn't guaranteed to recover them. And that's it. This is how you can check your Instagram data when trying to recover a deleted draft. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to Guide Pro for more helpful Instagram tutorials.